This is a 2010 Volvo S80 with the infamous whistling, high-pitched whistling noise. It's a 3.2. So I've already kind of loosened some of this, but I read that this issue is this PCV breather valve, which I've never fixed this. In fact, this car is, we just bought this car about a week ago for our daughter. So anyways, take this cover off. PCV breather valve is right there. I read that you can replace this entire box that comes with that, but it's a pain in the butt. Take a couple hours. I didn't feel like doing that. So I went on Amazon and found for 25 bucks. I don't think it's an official Volvo part, but made for 28 through 2010. There's some good reviews on there. People said it worked fine. Just make sure you take off this clip here before you start. Just pull up on this tab, pull this out, and then you'll be able to get to the breather valve that you're replacing. And then make sure you put that clip back on, obviously, when you're all done. So anyways, to do this the fast way, and I've already broken these clips, but you just take a flathead and a hammer and kind of break, use a hammer, just push down and break the clips on the valve box itself, not the clips that are holding it on the vehicle, but the valve box itself. And if you just break, there's about 6 of them on there. If you just break 4 of them, again, I just took a hammer and right underneath where the clip is that holds it on, right underneath was a clip on the part itself. I'll show you on here. Right here. So essentially you're just breaking this right here. Right? This right here on each one of these, the very bottom of the old part. You just break those off, and then you can literally just pop this thing right off. And you can see it's clearly not in good shape, right? So pretty sure this is what the problem is, because it's the same issue I am hearing about on this car, or I've read about, that when it's a high-pitched whistling noise, it kind of sounds like a tea kettle, then it's this PCV breather valve or breather box. So anyways, I'm just going to pop the new one back on, and hopefully that does the trick. Now, we've only had this car for about a week. It's only made that noise a few times, and it's intermittent. So I won't know probably until I get to drive it and warm. It usually only happens when the car's warmed up. Again, we've only heard it like 3 times so far, but one time it did it for about 20 seconds, and it was really high-pitched, loud noise. So I'm assuming it's this. If this don't work, I'll have to do some more research, but I'm pretty certain it's this. So if you do want to change this, again, 25 bucks on Amazon, instead of replacing this whole part that's $150, $200, and take a couple of hours worth of effort. This will literally take about 15 minutes. Pop it off, pop the new one on, and that's it. So I'm just going to take a rubber mallet, just kind of knock it into place. Sure, when you put the new one back on, you're putting it on the same way. This tab, this kind of indent right here, should be up facing that direction, and all your holes should line up with the inside clips, which you can't see here until I knock it in. So here's the new one installed. I literally just took a rubber mallet and hit it gently, and then just pushed it a little bit in the back, and you can see the clips right there are lined up. So that was it. Hoping that does the trick. If it does, it's 25 bucks to fix. So anyways, hope this helps.